Hello everyone, today we're going to be making mini madeleines. They're very soft and pillowy little cakes with fresh orange and lemon zest flavor. Madeleines are best enjoyed fresh out of the oven, so you can make this batter ahead of time and you can just pop it in the oven anytime you want some treats. Now let's get baking. First, we're going to melt half a cup of butter in a small saucepan in medium heat. Then add in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar and 1 tablespoon of honey. Cook this until the butter is melted, then set aside to cool. In a bowl, add in 3 room temperature eggs and half a cup of granulated sugar. Beat the eggs and the sugar mixture until it's light in color and smooth to the touch. In a separate bowl, add in all the dry ingredients together. Add in 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and half a teaspoon of salt. Mix everything until well combined, then sift onto the egg and sugar mixture. After everything is well combined, we're gonna add in a zest of half of a lemon and a zest of half of an orange. The zest added to the batter will give it this fragrant and fresh aromatics to the little cakes. Another option is adding in vanilla, but I find that the lemon and orange zest works perfect on its own. Then finally, we're going to emulsify the melted butter mixture to the cake batter. I add in half at first, then mix it well before adding in the last half of the melted butter. After everything is well combined, we will let this batter rest for an hour or overnight in the fridge and it'll thicken up a little bit while it rests. Resting the batter for an hour or overnight will help create this dome on top of the madeleines. I like adding my batter in a piping bag because it's easier to pipe it into the mold. But you can always use just a little ice cream scoop or spoons to scoop in the batter to the mold. So here I am using a Teflon pan of mini madeleines. I will link the pan in the description box below. Lightly grease the pan with melted butter, or you can use any baking spray or vegetable oil. Then finally pipe in the batter and make sure that you're consistent with the portions so everything will cook evenly. Cook the madeleines in a preheated oven at 375 Fahrenheit for 4 to 6 minutes or until the madeleines has puffed up and the little edges turned golden and caramelized. Then just tap the pan and the madeleine should easily come out. Then finally, just add a touch of powdered sugar and enjoy. These little Madeleine cakes are so delicious, they disappear pretty fast. Thank you for watching this baking tutorial, and please don't forget to like this video or subscribe if you find this video helpful. Good luck on your recipe and see you next time!